All right. You guys are safe now because usually when I do that, it takes off to the moon. You watch this
Oh,
YM go. Maybe I got lucky. Anybody long YM? Nobody took the breakout.
nobody took it.
Nobody took the breakout.
Wait a
I,
minute.
you know what? We'll fill her. I've got. There you go, Matt. Good job, man. Good job.
Good job, Matt. Ramon.
Hold your targets. You're good. Hold
Claude.
on
Good
to it.
job, Claude.
Claude, nice Claude. 015. Oh,
Top
nice.
5.
Nice. That's a great entry there, Ramon. Hang on to that. I was in at 2021, but then silly me just absolutely hit the close button. Can't explain why.
The minimum's turned up on you.
Stop, Matt. Where's our stop on the YM? Where are you in
Uh,
at, Matt? Where are you in at? I don't. At this point, we trade. I don't know, Matt. We trade three contracts on the YM. We take our first and second targets off and get our third target into a no lose situation. So we'll just trail it up. Um, I would say probably around 33, right? When you say mouse
I have,
34,
yeah,
I'd say stop
about,
around 34.
yeah,
Put your stop around
30,
34, Matt, and just hold on to it right there.
yeah.
Actually, I might be a little bit high. I might be a little tight on that, but I don't have a lot of
Well,
I don't have a lot of faith on this going too much higher.
it's bouncing right there at that pivot. So it's,
Yeah, just 34, 36 even at this point. I'd lock it in a little bit. 30. Yeah, that's I mean, you got a
if
pretty
you're,
good entry there,
I was
Claude.
going to say 37 at the bottom of that
Yeah,
double wicks right
36,
there.
37 if this thing breaks up. But
Yeah.
where'd you get in, Matt? In
The ES wants to
boom.
break up.
And you're flat.
Okay, yeah, everybody's flat.
And that's why I didn't want 30 because I had a feeling if it didn't break this up, it was going to come back. That's why I said 37 would be a little.
But your
All right,
momentum is
it's a good
up.
trade though, guys. That's good. At
It
least we got
was.
one. At least we got
Uh,
one.
I'll
Good
take
job,
it down.
Claude,
Y'all take
Matt,
it up. Good
Ramon,
job.
everybody. Ramon got a good entry. Ramon, you're still in this, right? Flat. Ooh, okay. Can't blame you on that, I guess. Oh, you're still in, Matt. All right. You're
What did
holding
you?
your stops
I
back then.
Yeah. I think my stop at 20. If he's still in it,
Setting at 32. It came back and got 32, didn't it?
yeah, he came way back and got 32. He must have just moved it up.
Oh, sitting at 32, Ramon. Okay, Matt must be holding his stop back.
Now he can move it up to
Yeah, now if
37,
it breaks through here, you're good.
36. Yeah.
If it breaks through here, you're good to go. Well, that's a good thing for you because this is going to break. So I'm gonna bounce in the other room real quick.
All right. Go ahead. It's breaking. It's going to continue on up, Matt. Stop to 37. Yes. I mean, the trend is down, but the momentum is up. And I mean, it looks like it wants to continue up. If you took it short, which that's with the trend, did anybody take it short on the ES? Could taking that M short. at 39.75. Could have had a couple of targets. I'll get job, Viv. Miss Viv. I'm gonna take a counter trend, knock it down me. I'm not telling anyone else to do that. On the YM, Matt, you still in the YM, right? Let's see. Oh, you stopped out. Okay, everybody flat. Bubba, you still flat? Or are you still long on the YM? Or ES? You still long in ES? I didn't call it, but I did take a counter trend long. And if anybody took the counter trend long on the YM, did anybody do that? I can't call the counter trends, but if you get in them, I can call you stops. I'm not going to let that one turn into a loser this time. As you can take your trend trades. YM short with a hooky stochastics, hooky HMA. I mean, you're going to have to take your targets fast because momentum is up. And it's trying to push it up.
All right, what I miss, boss?
Nothing. I think Bubba, maybe, are you still long on the ES, Bubba? Yeah, you are.
He got some faith in that. He's it's good.
All right, I tightened my stop up. I wasn't going to let a winner turn into a loser. So he got in way down here probably. Which I was already over here, so I couldn't. Yes, it's just it ain't giving me that warm fuzzy feeling all
Yeah,
morning.
right. I don't like to look at that range chart.
No,
Just nothing screaming this thing's gonna just explode here.
YM still tells me it wants to go up.
They're buying 41 though. Ooh, big time.
I mean, I did say take a hook of your stochastics and a hook of your HMA. You go short. Did you take it, John? I don't even know what to call you. John F. John John Long, John somebody. All I know is John Fraley. John, you did not. Okay. John, listen to me when I say take the hook of your stochastics and the hook of your HMA to go short. You can't. I'm not going to call a counter trend long. If you take a counter trend long, I'll call your stops for you. I'm going to trade the ES right now. Well, actually, don't get into any trades. Not right now. Not the way it's chopping around. ES or YM. I still think it's going to break out to go long, but I can't. I'm not calling a counter trend. Again, I will call the stops.
All right. Have a little- That's having some ninja issues here. This ES looks ugly, doesn't it?
It does.
Wow. YM starting to chop up too.
Yeah, that's what I said. No,
Everything's just
if you're
looking ugly
not in
right now.
anything, don't.
Yeah, don't force anything right now. Oh, ruling was unanimous, 9-0. They just reported.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Yes. I mean, you kind of figured that
9-0.
anyway.
Guess he's going to be on the ballot. Talk to me, Goose. Talk to me, Goose.
Talk to me. There's nothing to talk about. I'm telling you.
Ah,
There is nothing to talk about, Coach Paul. This is just ugly.
you don't like?
It is ugly.
You would think that decision would have moved the market a little bit more. Man almighty. Only trade I got was that break up. That was it in the YM.
This is there's nothing to be had.
Mm-mm.
Absolutely nothing to be had.
Yeah, there's just really nothing to say here, guys.
Nope.
I
That's the reason.
sit here and twiddle our thumbs.
I mean, you can look at the momentum on ES. It looks like a level line.
Yep, momentum
And
is flat. Trend is down. The 8 range looks like trailer park teeth. Chop City, craptacular. Straight craptacular here. YM doesn't look any better.
it's pitiful.
What's the Crable numbers, Westy? I'm not looking.
Let's
You know,
see.
though, it would set up for a Crable today, as choppy as it's been, as rangy as it's been. Somebody post the Crable numbers. I don't have them.
Yes.
Post them quick because it could break any time. 35.25 and 41.50.
Yep. Yep. 35.25, 41.50.
Yeah, I'm not super
What
stoked
I meant.
on the Crable. I don't like the price action. I'll tell you what, Westy, today would be a day I'd like to see it break a little bit, come back, retest it, hold and go to the upside. I mean, we get down to the bottom, that'd be different. But what do I know? Yeah, right. Coffee time, butter latte time.
Hey, you know what? That's a fine idea the way
I
this
mean,
market is
honestly,
going right
why don't we
now.
take like a 5 minute break, 10 minute break, get some coffee? Because I mean, unless you guys just want to sit here and watch this chop.
Yeah, that's all it's doing. That's all it is doing.
Yeah. Yeah. I'll be back in a few minutes. Yeah, ran wait for it, killed it in the other room, didn't he? You got you guys some good calls over there. Doc, did you get your trade copier issue resolved? Well, you're the one with you had the trade copier issue, right? W on YM. Um, yeah, first touch. Only problem is you're going counter momentum, counter trend, coming out of chop. HMA's pointing down. I don't know, Ramon. I mean, it's risky. It is a W though. Wow. Some made 1,000, some made 200. Well, I guess if it's going to go again, if you're going to have copier issues, that's a good copier issue to have. Hold off on that, Ramon. I don't like it. That's the kind of problems you don't want to fix. Let them keep going. Yep, it's coming down, coming down. You talking about the YMO money? Yeah, I mean that was a breakout. That was a breakdown, but again, I yeah, I was gonna go take a coffee break, and I got sucked into looking at this YM. Mo money, did you go short? The breakdown of that little consolidation. Yeah, it's against my rules too. So no, I don't blame you.
I mean, it could have shorted the YM.
Well, we were just talking about that, but yeah, could have shorted the YM. I mean, but counter. I mean, it's counter momentum. It is with trend though.
Yeah, it is with trend. And the momentum looks like it's trying to roll over.
It's a short.
ES, you don't even know which way to go. It's it's just in bad shape.
No, ES is just.
No, it's not.
I mean, you can't trade this. I mean, I guess you could if you really wanted to scalp something, but
It's real quiet when there's nothing going on. Eh?
no, I mean, there's nothing to say. Yeah, Prop Room did good today, boss.
Oh, that's good news.
They made the money. They're
Yeah,
all
that's good
gone.
news.
I think
Good.
just one guy had a little ninja issues. So
Oh man,
other than him, I think everybody's done. Well, no, I know everybody's done.
good, good.
You short ES Viv? Wow, wow. Okay, where did you get short at, Viv? I'm curious. What did you see to go short? Just a breakout?
Wow. A double top maybe in that zone.
I mean, man.
I don't
I mean,
know.
it's going to work out for you, but wow,
Yeah, that's nerve.
that is yeah. That's not a trade I would have took.
I'm
Congrats.
being nice, Miss Viv, and I said
Yes,
that's
I mean,
nerve.
yeah, Scott. We saw that 9-0 the vote, 9-0. It's going to
Uh,
work out for you though, Viv.
it
Stay in it.
is. Good
Yeah,
job, Miss Viv. Good job.
I didn't
Great
see
job.
that, nor would I've ever called that. But you got to hold on to it now. You got the break.
Great job.
I am curious though, is what where you took it. Since we did have a phone call, I'm kind of curious where you what you saw. Is this your swing out for the long back up? What?
38.50 maybe.
That's what I'm thinking, right? Yeah. Only thing with that Viv is look at your stochastics is it's not overbought or oversold. I mean, again, I'm not trying. I mean, you is obviously a winning trade, and you saw something that we obviously didn't. We missed, but all right, Westy.
All right,
There's
Wesley.
your
Good
swing
job.
out. There's the swing I was just talking about. I'm sitting here talking to Viv and missed my own.
It's going back up maybe to a first touch rule, maybe.
Maybe.
I don't know. This stochastics are so low. But and if anybody went short on the YM, just stay short. Just pull your stop down.
All right, John. Did you get on my schedule, John? Oh, you're on the YM. Okay.
Yeah, John's on YM.
No, I'm talking about Viv.
Oh, Viv.
So you went short on the YM. Okay, that's a difference.
Oh, okay. Good job, this Viv. Good job.
I was gonna say, wow, that's a gutsy call. I was
You went
like
short at what, 26? Oh, got a little late
26. Are you short now, Viv?
and done got two off. That's good. I mean, she got in a little late, but that's still a good.
John, are you okay? You're on my schedule, John, at 1 tomorrow? I honestly haven't looked. I'm sure you are.
As long as you've got two off, Miss Viv.
Okay, cool. We'll talk tomorrow. That'll be cool. Be careful, Viv. Be careful. Just try not to overtrade it. Don't get that desire to be patient and wait for those valid setups that we talked about. Day
Uh,
like today can get ugly on you
yeah,
real quick.
it really can. The way
Yeah.
well, the momentum is finally hooking over again on the YM. That's we do have that going for.
I mean, look at your stochastics. It's flat.
Yeah, yeah. It's
Momentum is up. Yeah, it is starting to hook down a little bit. Oh, hold on to it.
and just when you think ES might want to do
No, it's
something,
right
it
back
jumps
into that garbage
sideways.
again. Yeah, Viv,
It's
just be careful. I mean, like what we talked about the other day, right? Wait patiently for that setup. Let it happen. Take your one or two good trades and stop trading. Guys, it doesn't there's no trading this. I mean, I'm not saying it can't be traded, but I mean, why? Let's wait for this thing to air itself out. Give us some more get some cleaner entries. Cuz yeah, you could be right, but you sure could be wrong too. And here it comes
and
back. Look at this ES.
pop
Right
back
back
up.
into
Yep.
what's the YM do? Is the YM long now?
Yep. YM popped
It's
right back up
it's
along.
right back long now. Now here's something I do like on the YM. I just saw.
What's that? What would that be, Coach?
Uh, nice little trend line forming on that YM. Look at that. Look at the range chart.
Mm-hmm.
3 touches. You see that?
Yeah.
Yeah, I gotta turn Scott down. He's too loud. What do you think of that, boss?
Nice. I like that.
Momentum hooks down. Man, this ES, you can't even touch this ES.
No, I'm not even looking at that chart anymore.
Yeah, it is wiki, Viv. Guys, it's just a great test of patience right now. That's all we gotta do is just wait. Oh, forget the ES. Literally forget the ES.
Yeah,
The ES is untradeable right now. You are absolutely just take it. You're gambling. You trade the ES right now. I don't care how good a trader you are. Either gambling or you just got way too much money. One of the two. Where's Green Jeans? Green Jeans, you here today? I'm about to
I
ask him a
think I
question.
saw him here earlier. Guess I did.
No, we have no Green Jeans today.
No,
All right, Bubba. Bubba can answer this. Are you trading? Are you trading the ES right now, Bubba? Are you in anything in the ES? When are you? Oh, we lost Bubba too. Am I on? Can you hear me?
yes, sir. Absolutely,
Let's make sure I'm not talking to myself. I do that well.
I do too. I am starting to run sideways. May go up and get a pivot bounce. May. Could be a short setting up on the OYM.
It's pretty simple. It's really not that complicated. It's just obviously some black coffee, a little bit of heavy cream, and that just really goes to your taste on how light you want it to be. A little bit of heavy cream, about a tablespoon of. I use Kerrygold butter. A little bit of stevia if you like it sweet. Throw it in a blender, froth it up, enjoy. I like to throw some MCT oil in there too, but that's for other reasons. Yeah, I honestly don't even measure. I just kind of throw everything in there to taste, kind of what it looks right. Just pour the heavy cream in there till I think it's the right color, and throw a tablespoon of stevia in there. Throw some butter in there, and enjoy. It's really good. It's really, really, really good.
Like I said, you could have a possible short setting up on the YM.
Yeah, that's what I
I
was saying,
am.
Westy. Oh, sorry. Go ahead.
Oh, go ahead. Go ahead.
I was telling. That's what I was saying earlier, Westy. The only thing with this price action, you'd have to take it right now. But I'd like to see it break, come back and retest. But that's just me personally on a day like today. But you can take it. It just broke it. But see, that's kind of reason why I wouldn't have had a order waiting right there. Like for me, it's got to break through it, come back and retest it. Just this price action doesn't lend for just a strong breakthrough the Crable today. Now, to the downside, it'd be a different story. I would probably, if it got down there, I would probably have an order waiting, but not to the upside. Let's see if we can get above it and hold. What was it again? 50. What was that number again? 4150? 4150?
4150.
And it got to 4175. So technically it broke it by a tick. Yeah. See what I'm talking about, Westy? Why I wasn't too gung ho on it, just on a breakout. You've been saying that for a while, Bubba. Bubba, are you trading this ES? Or are you sitting on your hands?
I said possible M forming on the YM. But it's right at the pivot. I mean, it's if it would break it, come on down.
Wow.
All right.
And wait for it's back.
Ladies and gentlemen.
He is back in the house.
Crushed it over there. We did like 3 trades.
3.
Yeah,
Good
we had to piece
job.
together some technical issues with. So this would be that loop.
ES just looks like crap, if you ask me. What would you trading YM?
Yeah. Looking for either a breakout or a reverse right here. I kind of feel like it's going to be a reverse, but it's only attacked this line. This is the line I called when we opened up the room at like 8. It's only hit this line twice, so I feel like there's still like one more go at it here, but should be setting up for a dump right here. This closes bullish engulfing. Then we're probably looking for a red candle that's going to be deeper.
Now Westy would be a better time to take it if you get a solid close above this.
Oh, let me turn this up. Say again. 3 times faster, slower.
You talking to me?
Yeah,
No, we're just talking about the Crable break.
going up.
Well, I mean, the first break, I was telling him I'd rather it get a solid close above it than come back and retest it. Just the day today doesn't look like it's
Yeah, it doesn't look super confident up here.
no.
It didn't look very confident down there either.
Bubba's right. It's going up. It's just going to go up at its own pace. It's going to be a slow crawl.
Yeah.
It's going to be that push up, come back, push up, come back.
I was thinking it's probably going to do that,
Micro.
consolidate, push
arm
down,
up.
then launch back up.
Yeah. It's the 1030 reversal. It's going to go left now.
Chris, you see what candle we're on, right?
No. For some reason, your chart won't show up on mine. I don't know why it does. It pops back.
It doesn't like my
I
charts.
click on it and click back. It popped up just then. And then it went away.
$7.
What in the
What?
world?
How'd you get
Discount.
$7, John?
Discount sell.
Discount. Micros? 1 micro?
That would suck. How many candles we got in this? Yeah, I agree with that. Probably going to get one more bounce right here. Get this thing to get off me. Get off me. Oh my goodness. Wait for the pullback. So kind of think of it like a deep V with like a cup and handle, but it's upside down. So we're just looking for the other handle this way.
Five micros. I made $7 on 5 micros in the
Yeah.
EQ.
$89 right here.
Come on, baby, go. There we go.
Yeah, why? It's going back down.
Dude, this thing is not even trying to go up. Should be
It's
getting
not.
a retest.
Oh, okay. I started saying my charts are something different from yours. It's not.
Wesley, did you take the Crable the second time around? I did. I like it a little bit more now. Got my first target off. Can you guys hear me? Am I talking to myself again?
I hear you.
We can hear you, Coach.
All right, just not sure. I'm unsure about my mic today.
Yeah, it does
Westy,
that,
you
right?
around? I guess not. I guess he didn't take the Crable this time. Damn. He's the one that got me into the Crable. Yeah, that's what everybody's saying. I don't know how to turn my mic up. I don't know what else to do. Scott, you got any suggestions?
You checked sound already?
Sound where?
So you right click your speaker icon at the bottom right,
Uh-huh.
and then go to sound.
Sound settings.
Yeah, then double click your microphone, and then go to levels. Make sure it's turned all the way up. My gnome, my magical gnome in the middle of the night
It's
usually
sound
turns
and
mine down.
speakers. How's that?
No, you go to where is it? Here it is. Recording. Go to recording, double click microphone.
Wait. All right. So you say right click on my speaker, right?
Mm-hmm.
And
Then go to
sound
sounds.
settings. Sound settings.
Yeah. And then
Yeah.
it just says sounds for mine.
Oh, mine says sound settings.
I have open sound settings, open volume mixer, sound, spatial sound, sounds, and then
I
trouble.
don't have that.
Let's see.
How about now? Any better?
No.
Go to your search box on your taskbar and type in sounds.
Anybody that's short, go ahead and move it.
Change sound settings.
Stop to the pivot and leave it.
Let's see,
All right.
It's getting ready to turn and
Recording.
go up.
let's see what that says. No, that's not it.
Microphone. So what am I doing? Do I click on where it says microphone here?
Hold on, let me see.
Configure? I don't know.
That's not it. Trying to find the same thing you're looking at so we can guide you to the right thing. Keeps taking me. All these links take me to the exact same thing. It's crazy. Oh yeah.
How about
Yeah.
now? Any
Yeah.
better?
Yeah. Yes. Yes. So you found
Good.
it. Sound control panel is the one I was looking for.
So
Yeah.
Did I sound better now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's way better.
Okay. Awesome.
We hear you loud and clear, Coach.
Awesome. Did anybody take this
Short.
Crable breakout on the ES? Am I the only one?
Yes. Or you're probably the only one.
Okay. Westy was the one that talked about it.
I think everybody else is short on the YM.
That's
Is
fair
anybody
too.
short on the YM?
I'll tell you what now, it breaks that trend line on the YM that I posted. I would be a lot more happy about that. Yeah, Bub, I know you're I was just waiting on that day like today. I just like that breakout up here. Come
Get
on,
a proper
go.
pullback on this. The thing I don't like about it.
Who's short on the YM? Anybody? Okay, Green Jean. Good job. I knew you had to be in here somewhere today, Green Jean.
Claude, everybody, look at that.
Where you got your stop setting it to pivot? Pivot's a good place.
Dude, I'd buy this.
Unless you want more, because it's getting ready to come back up. I mean, my momentum is down. I mean, the trend is down, but no, it is not. Trend is not down. Is it?
Trend is down. Oh wait, yeah, it's down. Trend's
On the
down on
YM?
both of them. Both of them, yeah.
Yeah.
Or no, it's up on the ES, down on the YM.
Trend is.
Ugh.
Well, if it goes above the pivot, it's up. If it goes below the pivot, it's down. So there's two-way trading. Whichever way you take, get your targets off quick. Get your stop in to take profit. Look for your setup. Whether it be 16 tick, 8 range, or M&W.
Here comes your high, Bubba. It's trying to get up there. Yeah, it's that's why I said it's that slow crawl up.
It's gonna make this control box right here. It's gonna retest it. It just wants to spike up before it really commits to dumping. So I think it's gonna retest this box, then go bullish right here to spike up to ultimately fail right here if it doesn't make it past it and then dump. But if it does make it past it, it'll try to find support and take off and go long.
Yeah, that's how I'm feeling too. I've tightened up my stop. I'm at 42.50 on my stop, but I think it's going to take me.
Well, if I am just decided to quit, he just went to sleep, I think.
This is all
It's about,
just
it's all
painful. And flat. All right, I'll take it. 2 trades, 2 green trades. done. That might be it for the morning for me, I think.
I can't say I'll blame you, Coach.
I
Not
just-
at all.
There's your break of that trend line though on the YM we talked about. So
Manipulate the low to go high.
manipulate. Come on, the markets aren't manipulated. What are you talking about?
No, absolutely not.
That does not happen. Whew. More coffee? I don't know.
I've had enough coffee. I think I need some
About
water.
time for a Boss Hog story or something.
It's about time for a bottle of water or something. 'Cause about dried up. That's when you drink that butter latte. It keeps you greased up, doesn't it?
That's right.
Plain coffee just dries me out.
Gotta keep them joints lubed. A little butter. Well,
It is doing that painful slow crawl down now on the YM.
yeah, that's it. Yeah, Lord, look at all those lines on that chart.
Woo!
I think there's some candles there somewhere. There they are.
That's when
Where
you know. When you see the candle, you say
You
it's
see the
bullish
candle? That's your.
or bearish, depending on what color you see.
Look at here comes the ES back down to the first touch.
come down to the zone on the YM, but bounce back up. Looks like. What do you think? Wait for it. Talk to me.
I think it's about to go shoot a. It's going to do a shooter up here in a second.
A shooter up.
Shooter up.
up.
That's
Shooter
official term
up.
right there.
It's a shooter up.
Like one of them
Uh,
snipers.
Is that a? I like that technical term.
We got us a shooter up.
That sounds like something I'd say.
Shooter up.
All right. Since we have a moment or two, Uh-oh. Wait for it. Would you do
Yeah, welcome our
our
trials.
welcome
Yep.
our trials,
I'm
please?
sure
Let
our
me call
trials are
this. Let
super
me call this
excited with
one
all the
trade.
calls we're doing today.
Hold on a sec.
He's looking for a trade.
Yeah, let me just call this one.
You looking for a short?
No.
He's looking for this counter trend long. What he's looking for?
It's going to go up before it comes down.
Yeah.
I may get a couple candles here, whatever. Let me do it. Oh, right. Welcome, trials. Woo, look at all you. Welcome. Thanks for finding us. I'm Wait For It, one of the trade callers. If you take a look at your charts, your chat area, the black area over there to the right, you'll see it says Boss Hog ESYM. You'll see Wait For It screen 1. If you click on Wait For It screen 1, that will show you my screen, and I'll give you a little bit of a tour. Hold on one sec. Oh, right. When you click on the members area, it'll take you to this page right here. And at the top, you'll see this black bar. If you click anywhere up here, this will go ahead and sign you up to have a conversation with Coach Paul. He's going to help you refocus how you look at your charts and only let you see what you need to see in order to be consistently profitable. He's really good at this. I definitely would take advantage of it. It's free for you to call him or to set up a time to call him. So go ahead and call him and get you set on the right path there so that you can see what we see when we're making trades. You're going to want to download our toolkit down here too. So that'll make it a little bit easier for you and him to conversate about what you're looking at. And also you'll understand what we're talking about when we're looking at our charts. If you enjoy your time with us, if you would go to Trustpilot and Facebook, these icons right here, and leave us a review, that'd be great. It goes a long ways. We really appreciate it. And if you need a trade copier, this next icon right here is going to be your trade copier coupon code. It's the most reliable one out there. If you have problems with it, we'll be able to help you with those problems. It's one that we know and that we use in the Prop 10X room, which is one of the rooms that I also call trades in. That's where we copy our trades over 10 different accounts. And then this is a prop firm account. This will give you a coupon code for that if they're not running any specials. And then once you get your toolkit set up, you're going to need to understand our methodology. So if you scroll down here to LTC core methodology, you'll see right here is our videos. The first 10 videos here are going to be our core methodology. It's very simple methodology. It's so that you don't have to think as much whenever you take a trade. This really helps out a lot. Before I came here, I knew a lot about the market, but I couldn't tell you how to get into a trade, get out of it, make profits. And so this really helped me out a lot. So definitely should check that out. And then once you're done looking at that, you need to go ahead and fall in love with one of our 6 trading strategies. We all use the same 6 trading strategies. And once you fall in love with one of these here, go ahead and jump into replays and set up your ATM strategy and get used to using your ATM bracket orders for entering in trades. And so you know how to do that. Just come down to the next set of videos down here. And there is a video that is specifically for that, entering trades with ATM bracket orders. There's also a beginner one right there. And we're also momentum traders, so which means that we are waiting for price action to bounce off of a zone, which are the orange bands that are on our charts. And when price hits it, it bounces off and goes back in the other direction. And so that's how we look for our trades. So you can understand what that is. You might want to check out finding levels here at the bottom and key levels part 1 right there. And that'll help you get a better understanding of how we trade. If you're really serious about becoming consistently profitable and being a full-time trader, you should definitely go to the 7:45 a.m. morning prep room. session. It's this room right here. All you have to do is just click that button. Just, what is it, 3 down, 2 down from the top there. And so there's your live trade room. There's the elite room. I do trainings in here and do trades during lunch as well in there. So you guys have access to that. You should definitely go to that. This is the morning prep room I was talking about. They kind of draw a line in the sand and let you know exactly where we're going to take our trades for the day. It's really nice to know exactly, like, here's the line in the sand. We're going to go long from here. We're going to go short from here. And that's the kind of work that they do in there. And if you have any questions about any of the stuff that we showed you here, just please send a message. You should definitely go to the one last thing, trade review room right here at 7 p.m. Eastern on Wednesdays. And they're going to take a member's trade and break it down and kind of work through their stop loss management, their entries, their exits, and see if we can help them with the risk and reward part of their trades. So if you follow these this path right here, I think you'll be able to answer those 2 questions most people have, which is, is this something I can even do, or is this the club that's going to help me get consistently profitable? And I think that if you did, you'll be able to find the answer to both of those. So thanks for joining us. Appreciate you. Please fasten your seatbelt, stow away all your electronics, put out your cigarettes, and get ready for a ride.
Thanks. Wait for it.
You're welcome.
Appreciate that. We're looking for a
All right.
pullback to go short.
Yep. No.
That's exactly what we're looking for. Don't think we're going to see our stochastics get overbought before it hooks over this time. Really don't. Do you?
Do I know?
I said, I don't think we're going to see our stochastics on the ES get overbought before we roll over this time.
I think we're going to get a spike up here, so you might see it. I wish this would do a proper pullback though.
You're on the YM. I'm looking at. I was looking at ES. You're looking at YM.
Sorry. Can barely hear you.
Yeah, you're low.
Oh, okay.
Whoa.
Is that better?
Okay,
Yes.
that's
Ooh,
definitely better.
coming in
Wow.
in stereo.
There goes
Sorry
my
about
ear.
that, guys. I had it under my chin.
I can no longer. I cannot hear it. Go. Hold on. Let the ringing go away.
We are looking for
Have
a
a good day,
short.
more money.
Short wear.
Have a good day, Mo Money. You're not looking for a short, coach?
On. What are we talking about?
Well,
Not looking for a short on the yes, if that's what you're talking about.
no. Why?
Yes, going up.
YM trends down. I'm just waiting for pullback on it. Trends down, momentum starting to roll over or starting to turn down.
This is painful. I just, I don't have the patience for this. I think I'm going to go away.
But coach, we preach
I
patience.
know. It's testing every last one. I'm just sitting here watching, wait for its mouse just jump all over and paint arrows and lines and
That's the reason I'm turning my head, looking at my other monitors. Yeah, ES looks like it's consolidating just to go up, continue
yeah,
on up.
that's what I said. ES is a long. It's a very
There it
patient
goes.
long, but it's a long. Should have left my stop back and just let it run.
Sorry about that pass, Pat. Looking for a retest right there on that on the YM. Wait for it before you go
Except
short.
this line here, this
Yeah.
trend line.
Yeah.
Oh, look at. Wow.
I don't think it wants to do anything.
No.
Stall.
It's gonna be an early lunch today. I can tell you that.
Yeah.
I mean, we could just sit here and do nothing like we're doing.
We're good at that.
Yeah, we are good at that.
There's a pullback on the ES. It didn't break that previous high though. Well, there's Miss Lulu. Good morning, sleepyhead.
This was a perfect trade. What trade would that be?
Which
Did
one
I
is she
miss something?
talking about? That's what I'm thinking.
Did
I
I
missed
miss something?
something? Oh, I just did. I hope it retests again on the YM, or I just missed it. There you
John F is now John Counts.
go. Yeah. Long John F.
John, you gotta trade yourself to Long John.
Yeah, I say Long John. That's just
Long
Long John.
That's got to be your new go Long John. Yeah, or Long John.
Oh.
Go Long John. Donut. Hey, we having fun yet?
Always. Always.
Your bicycle on the yes, if you want one.
None tick.
Yep,
A bicycle
non-tick bicycle.
at the 89.
Yep.
Excuse me, y'all.
Now,
Now what?
Short.
Ooh, he buying it. He's going long. Look at that rebel without a clue. I mean, without a cause. All right. If anybody took that long on the ES, target's off. It was
Oh.
a signal.
Did he? Which
that?
one's he taking?
Oh, I don't
Yes, why
know.
on it?
I said I did say there was a long on the ES. If you wanted it, you should have targets off now and free trade.
I'm looking at one. One's hotter than the other.
I guess the ES and the YM both long.
Yeah, they are.
John, you still short?
Only difference
Hope
is
not.
YM. Only difference is YM is counter trend. If you go long,
I'm not seeing a short on the NQ there, buddy. Get a break up above 20, and you're gonna be go, Bub. Still, you know you went you're flat. You're not. All right, that works, John. That makes it safer.
M pattern.
And
It's
back
going to go
down.
up again.
Flat again. It's scalper's paradise here.
Wasn't there a song like that in the 70s? Oh no, that was Smuggler's Paradise.
Smuggler's Paradise.
Yeah.
Amish Paradise. What is that? Weird Al? Weird Al Yankovic. Yeah, Bub, I was asking early if you or Green Jeans were scalping this, and nobody answered me. I was trying to prove a point that even you guys probably weren't scalping that. All right, Lulu. And back down it comes.
Down. Every time it gets close, comes down that zone, bounces back up on the YM. I don't know what in the world's going on.
It's getting ready to take a big drop right here somewhere. It's gonna 1, 2, 3. What we got? 1, 2, 3. This could be all it's got right there. Typically, it normally comes up here and drops, but you've got declining drops right here.
Yeah, it's making lower lows, lower highs.
Normally want to see it get to here. This line up here really. most likely
Flat
right
off the
there.
gym. All right, Bubba. Have a good day, buddy.
It's set up to do some damage here if it wanted to go up.
It needs to pull back a little bit. Momentum is down. Trend is, well, momentum's almost down, but the trend is down. Needs some type of pullback. It's dumping there, I guess. Come on, pull back. Give me a reason. Needs to pull back to at least, let's see, somewhere around 27. Come on up to 27. Then drop like a rock. Sorry about that, John. I wasn't pulling against you. I forgot you on the. I was talking about the YM.
It's doing this here.
There comes the pullback. See how far it's gonna go.
Should bounce here.
Oh, I got it marked 27. That just happens to be right there at the first touch rule. That's usually the way it goes, John. Come back, take a stop out, and then it'll keep going. It ain't gonna give me the opportunity, is it?
Should get 3 bigger bounces right here, either up at an angle or flat. I don't know, but then it really drops from there. This little thing right here was its first drop.
See, the ES is pulling back up to go short also.
Got a W forming on the YM. I don't know how high it goes though. Counter trend too.
Yeah, I'm just waiting for a pullback on YM to go short. Like I said, it
It's
needs
got
to
to go up 3 times there. Lots of waiting.
it's consolidating right now. Looks like it don't want to go no higher, so it's probably going to short out. I know the ES is up, trend's up. Momentum's starting to roll over on it. So momentum's trend and momentum's down on the YM. Okay, John, we'll see you back at 2 o'clock, buddy. All right, now I'm able to pull up to the 89 so we can go short. That's what I know. It's counter trend on the ES, but it may be wanting to short off also. Momentum's turned down. Ain't a whole lot of talking going on. Of course, ain't a whole lot of nothing going on. We'll keep waiting for that thing to roll over right there. Go
Yeah, we're
short.
still waiting for it to do something. We've been waiting for it to
I know.
forever. Not much to say.
Is
Probably coming down right there.
pretty below. I'm taking a man jumped a little hair early, but
Sorry.
I'll know in a second.
Probably one more bounce here. I hope I'm wrong. It just drops. It'd be great. We're waiting for this to exhaust out to do a reverse.
That's
It's in
what I
the
thought
middle.
it did. It went with trend and momentum and the hook of stochastics, and it printed 8 range. And I swear, if it still didn't turn around on me,
Yeah, it's got one more bounce here. That's why it's been going so slow, is because it's doing a reverse. So that's why it's been quiet, because there's nothing to talk about, because it's been on the same move for like an hour. We're just now kind of getting to this area right here. Too new. Might just do a massive rejection right there. So I'm just going to put this here. Oh. Get rid of that.
That's what I said. Momentum was down, trend is down. Took a hook of stochastic, hook of HMA, went down, popped straight up.
YM.
Yeah, YM. Then it popped straight up.
So we're now at an area where we could be getting a rejection right here. So I'm just looking to see if this candle is going to close below the 89 there, or if it's going to try to find support here and keep trying to go up, which it's poised to do if it wants to. But I think that because it didn't break this high, this 40 area again, didn't even get there. I think it dumps right here. I don't like how it rejected out the 89 there, but now we're actually pushing through. I hate to get in this far down.
See what it looks like. It should push down. It really should push down right.
Finding support right there on a
Yeah, I know, but it's
V pattern. Gonna try to run right here. It could fail right there though. It's got everything it needs to run though. I'll jump in. Hey. Okay. Have fun. This probably fizzles out right here. Look at it. Struggling right there. There it goes. This is probably your signal for it to go down. 20 left on it. See how it closes. Soaks all the way back up, and we're, probably in for another push up. $11 left in this. They're gonna try to soak it back up. 9 left. All right, we should be good. Not really gonna watch this go up if it does start to go. So I will cut it short.
it shouldn't be going up as it is. It should be going down.
Yeah, I mean, it closed pretty bearish there. So, I mean, it should have everything it needs to drop right here. I got my stops at 37. Short on YM, in case anybody was questioning.
Yep. Well, so I said it shouldn't be going up at all. It should be shortened.
It's got to get through the 89 here. If not, you're probably going to look at a pullback up here. It could be halfway or all the way. So if it doesn't close below the 89 here, you might want to move your stops pretty close. Possibly the other side of this last wick right here. It's at 32. Yeah, 30 left on this. I mean, it has enough to get down there if it wants to. They're going to act like they can't do it. So it pulls back above this trend line right here, keeps it bullish. Like I said, I moved my stops to 32. You guys can keep it back there if you like, but I'd rather take a small profit. It decides to roll back up.
If you ask me, I think it's getting time to be lunch.
Yeah, it's starting to mess with people.
Yep. It is getting time to be lunch.
Hard rejection out of that right there. Going back up. Still close red. Still have a chance for it to drop there, but I don't know. It looks like it's got issues right there. Isn't VWAP like right here?
Yeah.
That's why. We got to get through that. Still trying to close it red though, so that's showing you that their intent is to try to push it down. They are making progress. Can't say by much, but oh, they turned into a doji, had 0 left on it. Dude, that's crazy. That's so crazy. It had 0 on it and it turned into the doji, then turned it to green. Complete BS. I closed out of it, obviously. They were trying to be sneaky too. They literally was at 0. And now you might actually have a rejection down there. Did you go ahead and call lunch? I'm going to head over to the elite room.
Yeah, let's go ahead and call lunch.
Any-
Lunchtime.
Any of the trials here, any of the elite members, you guys want to come over? I'm probably going to continue trading through lunch. I might take my dog for a walk since it's looking like it's trying to go up right here. I have enough time before it actually takes a poop.